cut you in. One mistake is all that it takes to break up the trust that we made. I'm open to changing my ways.
So we got to Lokoja and we usually stop there to stretch our legs, and we left very early. Oh, and I traveled with GIG, that's God is Good Motors. And here I also love to buy onions because it's really very cheap compared to what they sell in Asaba. Pujarao.
Madam Karen, which one Karen?
Okay. This one no get big ones. Yeah, give me this one. No, give me this one. No, give me that one. Give me that one. I confused.
Give it time. I know that I'm not easy. This cold heart of mine, she really took a beating before you.
Hi guys, so I am home with my brother. I love it here already. Say hi. That's my brother. Hi. Yeah. Let me settle in. Oh, I'm tired. I'll see you guys. He got me mango and I love mango a lot. So I'm just going to settle down with them. So big sister duties started immediately. My brother said he wanted noodles with fried eggs for dinner, so that's what I made for him, and he totally enjoyed. Look at how yummy this looks. Yeah. More just try. Plan it for Easter. Everybody just come together. It makes sense. Yeah. Hi guys, just catching up with my brother. I've missed him a lot, a lot. I always love it here in Abuja when I visit. Yes, and you see there's lights compared to Asaba. There's always no lights. It's a really big challenge. So I intend to enjoy my my holiday or vacation. And I packed my hair up. You like? I think I'm going to be rocking it more like this. So I'll see you. I just want to freshen up and relax and enjoy the light. And I'm tired. I need to sleep as well. If anything else happens, I will see you. But if I don't, I might not see you again till tomorrow. Okay? All right. Bye.
Ground gives out. Getting used to quiet when the noise dies down. I can see the damage when I look around, but I'm still here breathing, so I'm here for now.
I'm having fried yam and egg sauce. Yeah. So my hands are washed. Yeah. Really nice. This is my room. This is the state of my room according to him. So he said that I should try and help with the cleaning, so I want to do this one now. I finished with the parlor, so I want to do this one now. Yeah, then this is to lay the bed. Then he said he bought me this mirror just for me. Oh, how nice. Yeah, so I want to try and arrange, like, my gosh. This is what I was able to achieve with the room. Yeah, though the cushion is a little bit longer than the bed, but it's okay. This will do. It's neat. Yeah, and it's well ventilated. It's got 2 windows. I had to raise the blinds up. Pillow. And then a little bedside cabinet, and then I'll just arrange my skincare stuff later. So tell me, how did I do? Bags are there and the mirror for what? For outfit of the day. Okay. All right. Bye. Guys, so I was able to do the kitchen off camera. Everywhere is neat. Yeah. Floor is clean, as you can see. Okay. The microwave, because it was super dusty. Cleaned the microwave and the grill as well. Yeah. There's a door that way. It leads to the kitchen balcony. That's the trash bag there. Yeah, where he stores his food items. Is not organized, but don't judge, please. The young man is trying. So this is the onions I bought at Lokoja, and I bought this 3,000 naira. Do you think it's a good buy? And they sell one like this in Asaba 200. Yeah. So if I'm going back, I'll still get for myself. Yeah. Thank you, ma. Oh. So guys, I'm here in the market. You give me like 3. What is this? Yeah, I'm selling. Oh, go like this. Yes, I'm go down. Then you are now like 4. If you know. Let me see like 1,000. Okay, give me that. One. Help me a bit. One. So I'm back from the market and I bought this fresh tomatoes, and the tomatoes is really cheap here. Yeah, and I also got beef as well because I'm going to be making soup, and I got a stockfish, and I got yam and plantain. I also got eggs. We eat eggs a lot, so I was able to make a white soup, which is ofen salad. So I'm just going to end the vlog here, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.